Welcome to another video from RCdiy.ca. This video is part of a series of videos and a playlist related to sounds and announcements in OpenTX 2.2. This video is also accompanied by separate detailed documentation. Please read the documentation for details on what I will be showing you in this video. There are two locations for this documentation. One copy is on the RCdiy.ca website, and another has been contributed to the official OpenTX manual on Gitbooks. Links to the documentation will be placed in the description below this video on YouTube. In this video, we will look at how to use global and special functions to trigger sounds and announcements. Global and special functions are features that allow the configuration of responses to events such as switch position changes. In this video, only a brief overview of the audio functions will be covered. Global functions allow configurations to be common across all models. For example, using a knob to control volume of the audio files.
Throttle enabled. Throttle disabled. Throttle enabled. Throttle disabled.
Special functions are for configurations specific to a particular model, such as the gyro or flight controller mode. The play track function plays a selected track from the sounds language folder when a switch condition is true. For example, selecting SA with an up arrow will result in the selected audio file being played when the switch is in the up or away position.
Throttle enabled. Throttle disabled. Throttle enabled. Throttle disabled.
The final configuration determines how often the audio file is played. Played once, not during startup, is used to play a file when a switch condition is true, but not when the model is first loaded or when the transmitter is turned on. For example, when switch SA is in the up position, the audio file with the phrase throttle disabled is to be played. There may be a number of switches similarly configured. If this option were not used, then all the audio files will get played on model load or transmitter being turned on.
Throttle enabled. Throttle disabled.
Normal mode on. RF signal critical. High speed mode active.
The no repeat option results in the file always being played once when the switch condition is true.
Throttle disabled.
Normal mode on. RF signal critical. High speed mode active.
Selecting a value followed by an S will result in an audio file being played repeatedly, separated by the chosen interval in seconds.
Throttle disabled. Throttle disabled. Throttle disabled. Throttle enabled. Throttle disabled. Throttle disabled. Throttle disabled.
There are more audio functions available which are covered in the documentation. This brings us to the end of this video, which is meant to be a brief overview. Please follow the links below to the blog post for details and watch the other videos in this playlist. To support this channel, please like, subscribe, and follow the links below.